समयको साथमा धारणा बदलिन्छ. Perceptions change over time. Perceptions change over time. समयको साथ धारणा बदलिन्छ. समय कति भयो? What time is it? What time is it? अथवा What's the time? What's the time? समय कति भयो? खै मलाई समय हेर्न देऊ. Let me check the time. Let me check the time. खै मलाई समय हेर्न देऊ. तिमी तत्कालै माफी माग्नेछौ. You will apologize immediately. You will apologize immediately. तिमीले तत्कालै माफी माग्नेछौ. रोशनी मेरो नजिक आइन्. रोशनी came to me. रोशनी came to me. रोशनी मेरो नजिक आइन्. हजुर कहिले पढ्नुहुन्छ? When do you study? When do you study? हजुर कहिले पढ्नुहुन्छ? यो कहिले सुरु होला? When will it start? When will it start? यो कहिले सुरु होला? यसको मतलब के? What does this mean? What does this mean? यसको मतलब के? म रमाइलो गर्दैछु. I am having fun. I am having fun. म रमाइलो गर्दैछु. बोल्नुभन्दा पहिले सोच्नुस्. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. बोल्नुभन्दा पहिले सोच्नुस्. म भोलि निस्कदैछु. I am leaving tomorrow. I am leaving tomorrow. म भोलि निस्कदैछु. कृपया फेरि बोल्नुस्. Could you repeat that please? Could you repeat that please? कृपया फेरि बोल्नुस्. माफ गर्नुहोस् मैले सुनेन. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Sorry, I didn't catch that. माफ गर्नुहोस् मैले सुनेन. कति बजे? At what time? At what time? कति बजे? यो पहिलो पटक हो. This is the first time. This is the first time. यो पहिलो पटक हो. यो सब गर्न के आवश्यक छ? What is the need to do all this? What is the need to do all this? यो सब गर्न के आवश्यक छ? हजुर थाकेको जस्तो देखिनुहुन्छ. You look tired. You look tired. हजुर थाकेको जस्तो देखिनुहुन्छ. के हजुर थोरै आराम गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ? Do you want to take some rest? Do you want to take some rest? के हजुर थोरै आराम गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ?